will make a California roll. It's a very famous and very common rolls. Actually, it's a basic things California rolls. And if you want to have some idea of rolls, it's okay. It depends on you. You would like to put some prawn tempura or salmon teriyaki or too spicy tuna. It depends on you like this. So the basic things will make California rolls. This is like a basic rolls, like something like that. Okay, and then before you start it, make sure your hand is wet and put dip into the water, just a little bit, not much, and sticking like this. Okay, and then take around 100 grams of rice. So you should put the rice all over the nori, and then like this 100 grams. When you're putting, put from the middle first and make it straight, like this way. So I think it's too much. Okay, it's enough. Then my hand is already dry. I put again into water. Then from the middle here, pull it down. Okay. So after this, you do the practice. And then the rest, you should push it up. Okay, here. Now the nori already covered by the rice. Okay. Now we start to roll. Here we have bamboo mats, so already covered with the cling films to avoid the sticky. Alright. Then place it this sushi rice upside down like this to make the uramaki, which is I told you is outside rice. So the ingredients of California, I have here Japanese mayonnaise, or we call that QP mayonnaise. Just place it like this. And then I have here a crab meat. So crab meat, just put around 40 grams, not much. If you have idea of making rolls like prawn tempura, you can make fry the prawns and place it the tempura prawn right here. And with mayonnaise or no mayonnaise is up to you. You can put some avocado only, like this. And then for the California, the one we make here, next we put the ingredients with avocado. I have avocado here. Place it like this behind, and the julienne or cucumber on the top. Okay, now we start to roll it. When you roll it, make sure from the line of bamboo till the line of seaweed around 1 inches, minimum 1 inches. So to make the rolls is nicely and very easy to roll. Then when you roll it, make sure you 2 thumbs on the bottom here, and then you add finger in the front of your ingredients like this. When you roll it, press back the ingredients, press inside, okay, then roll will become like this. Okay, just press little bit, do not press too much, and then the result should be like this. This is the first step of rolling. Okay, and then when you doing a roll again, take up the bamboo here, take up the bamboo and roll it, press it, take up the bamboo, roll it, press it, roll back, roll front. Then your uramaki ready. Okay, now from the edge, left edge and right edge, you just place like this. Okay, same thing for another one. Press like this. Okay, now we are ready to put a topping. Here I have topping with tobiko. This is a tobiko of flying fish eggs. First, you should cut into two. Make sure your knife wet as well. Cut into two in the middle. When you're cutting, you should cut like this. Do not cut like this. It's totally wrong and break up. Okay? Then place it together, stick together, and the rest here just cut off. Okay? And then turn it. Place it into the fish eggs like this. Then your topping is ready. And then we will cut into 6 pieces. So first of all, make sure all the cuts should be equal, not small and another one big. Okay? So here, need to cut over here, from here and here. So you have mark here equal size. And then when you cut it, cut like this. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
More water again. Do not cut like this. When you press like this, it's gonna be broke. You should cut like this. Okay? Now reshape. We reshape this roll like this. Okay. Now ready for the plating. I'll show you how to plate it. Here I have a plate. Now I have the bamboo leaves. Here the bamboo leaves. Then we just a little white bamboo leaves. Okay, it's enough. Now place the rolls over here. When you place it, make sure the angle of rolls will be like this. Like this, the angle of sushi roll. Understand me? Sir? Easy, right? Mm-hmm. Now you put some garnish. Okay, just small dots of mayonnaise, like this. So it looks better and looks very pretty, like you. Now the rolls of California is ready for serve. Right?